Hey foodies, this is Chef Abyssinia. Welcome back to my channel. With the holidays right around the corner, I wanted to load you guys up with some of my favorite holiday recipes. We're going to be making baked mac and cheese, glazed ham, cider glazed chicken, candy yams, collard greens, mulled cider, and brown butter pumpkin pie. So this is the perfect holiday spread. Honestly, I make these recipes all throughout the year, but they are perfect for the holidays, so I wanted to share them with you. As always, thanks for watching, thanks for subscribing. I hope you guys enjoy these videos. Like, share, comment, and let me know your thoughts.